So these are the three incredible devices that we are launching today: Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, Redmi Note 10 Pro, and the Redmi Note 10. These are probably the best mid-premium devices that you can buy in the Indian smartphone industry today. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max brings the flagship experience in the mid-premium segment. It has many features that you can't even buy at 30,000 or even 40,000 rupees. It comes with a flagship 108 megapixel camera sensor with a 5 MP of super macro lens and a bunch of great camera software features that all of you guys will love. Features such as Night Mode 2.0, Magic Clone, long exposure modes, dual video, and a lot more. It also has a vibrant 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1200 nits. It comes with an all-new Evolve design and boasts a beautiful frosted glass back in 3 gorgeous colors. It has a superior Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and an Adreno 618 GPU that the gamers will absolutely love. It has a massive 2-day battery, a 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger in the box. And yet, we managed to make the phone significantly slimmer and lighter. It also provides a truly immersive experience with its stereo speakers and Z-axis haptics. And it is a massive upgrade over the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. And as you can see, we have upgraded almost every single thing. The 64 megapixel primary camera becomes 108 megapixel primary camera. The 5 megapixel macro becomes 5 megapixel super macro. The processor gets upgraded from 720G to 732G. The LCD panel becomes Super AMOLED, 60 Hz, 120 Hz, 450 nits, 1200 nits, same battery and charging experience, and yet we have made the phone significantly slimmer and lighter. A massive upgrade over the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now let's look at the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is just as amazing. It has almost every single thing that Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has. It has the same great 120Hz Super AMOLED display with 1200 nits of peak brightness. It has the same powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor with Adreno 618 GPU. It has a phenomenal 64 megapixel quad camera array with super macro and ultra wide lenses. It also comes with 5020 mAh battery and 33 watt of fast charging. It also comes with the same Evolve design with frosted glass back and is available in the same 3 color variants. This device also carries the same immersive experience with dual speakers and Z-axis haptic, and it is a massive upgrade over the Redmi Note 9 Pro. We have upgraded almost every single thing. 48 megapixel primary camera to 64 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel macro to 5 megapixel super macro, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G to Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, the LCD panel to Super AMOLED, 450 nits to 1200 nits, 60 Hz refresh rate to 120 Hz refresh rate, 18 watt fast charging to 33 watt fast charging, the all new Evolve design, and much slimmer and lighter. So that's the Redmi Note 10 Pro for all of you guys. Finally, we have a new champion, the Redmi Note 10. The all-new Redmi Note 10 has a 16.33 centimeter, which is 6.43 inches, Full HD Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. It has an amazing 48 megapixel quad camera setup with Sony IMX582 and an ultra-wide and a macro lens. This is the first smartphone to be launched with Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 in India and Adreno 612 GPU. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger in the box. And this is a massive upgrade over the Redmi Note 9. We have once again upgraded almost every single thing. LCD panel becomes AMOLED, 450 nits to 1100 nits 48 megapixel to 48 megapixel Sony IMX582, from G85 to Qualcomm Snapdragon 678, 18 watt of fast charging to 33 watt of fast charging, the all-new Evolve design, and we have made it significantly lighter and thinner. So these are the three amazing devices that we are launching today. Now let's get to the part that all of you guys have been waiting for, the honest price of these three incredible devices. But before we get to the prices, let's quickly look at how do they compare vis-a-vis competition. But honestly speaking, I don't think there's any competition to either of these devices. They're probably the best in each of their segments. In fact, if you look at Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, I can't think of any other device, even up to 30,000 or 40,000, which is even comparable. We have put few devices here, but as you can see, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has no comparison. It is the only device with the flagship 108 megapixel camera sensor. It has a Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and a lot more. So what should be the honest price of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max? Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is being launched in three different memory variants: 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, and 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And the 6GB, 64GB is being launched at only rupees 18,999. The 6GB, 128GB is being launched at only rupees 19,999. And the 8GB, 128GB will sell for only rupees 21,999. Now let's look at Redmi Note 10 Pro. Once again, I don't think there's any competition to this device. This is the only device in this price segment to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, a Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 1200 nits of peak brightness, and a lot of other features. This is probably the best device in the segment. Redmi Note 10 Pro is being launched in three memory variants: 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 128GB. 6GB, 64GB is being launched at only rupees 15,999. 6GB, 128GB at only rupees 16,999, and the 8GB, 128GB at only rupees 18,999. Now let's look at Redmi Note 10, the new champion. I once again think there's no competition for this device. If you look at the competition devices, it is significantly better. It is the first phone in the country to be launched with Qualcomm Snapdragon 678. It has a Super AMOLED display with the peak brightness of 1100 nit. It comes with a 33 watt of fast charging and host of other features. And we are launching Redmi Note 10 in two different memory variants with 4GB and 64GB and 6GB and 128GB. And the honest price of 4GB, 64GB is rupees 11,999. And the honest price of 6GB, 128GB is only rupees 13,999. So when and where can you buy these incredible smartphones? All of these three phones, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, Redmi Note 10 Pro, and Redmi Note 10, will be available on Mi.com, Amazon.in, and our Mi Home stores, and will be soon available across tens of thousands of our retail partners. The first sale of Redmi Note 10 is on 16th of March, a Tuesday, on Mi.com, Amazon.in, and Mi Home stores. Redmi Note 10 Pro, the first sale on 17th of March, and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the first sale is on 18th of March, Thursday. Not just this, we also have amazing, exciting launch offers worth thousands of rupees. Go and check out Mi.com, India's #1 and most loved single brand e-commerce platform, for more details. That's all for the Redmi Note 10 series launch. Thank you so much everyone for joining us today and watching the launch event. But before we say goodbye, there's something special that we want to share with all of you guys.